Welcome to Wyatt's Sunny Adventures. Now, today I have another sort of interesting video in this little sort of series where I try and build these little Lego things without using instructions. Now, this one is going to be kind of tricky based off the picture, just based off all the little tiny things, and that some of it's hidden, so I think I most likely will need instructions for this, but you never know. So I'll open it up. So the only thing left in the box is the instructions. Which obviously I do and don't think I'll need. But based off all these little tiny things, I don't really know what'll happen. So there's all the little pieces. Feels like there's no in the box than this instructions. No, it's just the instructions. But I don't really see a good way of going at this. One, this is really the only thing that I can tell how it's put together. So I will actually get the instructions for this one, because I just can't tell how to put it together with all the little tiny things. Try and flatten out the instructions a little bit. Let's see, so step one is to take this and two of these things. So then trying to tell what's next on this. And I put that on there anyways, that's why I couldn't really tell what was next. So then this on here. And then two of these little clamp pieces. I'm just weaving them two together because I can't get them back apart. And then one of these. So then that's two of the steps done. So now another one of those little pieces here to stack onto this one. And then this here. Another one on the other side. So that's step 3. So now this. If I can get it to go on there. And then this. So then that is step 4. Now step 5, this. And this. And this. And now this. get it to go on there. Now it's on there. I can't tell where it's having me put this. Like that, I believe, is how it's having it done. That's what it looks like. So now I go to the other side. See, so there's this, which is already together, kind of. So then this and this. So I put this on here, and I have this across from it, and it has this on here. So then I place this on here, like that. No, I think I have that backwards somehow. Yeah, I have it backwards. So now it is correctly on there, once it's on there. So there's that. So now two of these and then four of these. So then I do that twice, like the instructions say to do. So now I place that on here, like the instructions say to do. Now step 8, this, and these. These go on there like this, and then onto the back of this. And now that goes on the top of this. Get it on there. So now that has been completed. I believe that is correct. I think from the instructions, I think it's supposed to be like this. The way that looks. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, I believe. I just just noticed I forgot to put this on here like the instructions have. And then the two little wheels on it. Then you just have this shovel for whatever on the side of it. So I had to use the instructions on this one, but it is built. So thanks for watching Wyatt's Sunny Adventures, and bye.